So I want to take a couple moments just to go through some of the quality features within the AIM Vision suite. By no means is it an exhaustive list of everything we can do from a quality perspective. This is a general overview of some of the important features related to quality. So the first thing, and quite possibly the most important, is the ability to put components on hold. So again, if you have suspect product, you want to put it on hold. You want to make sure that product is not available for production or for shipping. And AIM has a quality hold feature, and you can place raw or purchased components on hold. You can place WIP, work in process, or finished good lots on hold. And this product would not be included in your MRP calculation if you don't want it included in your MRP calculation. And again, it wouldn't be available for production or for shipping. You can do that from the tablet app here, where it says quality hold, and when you select it, it'll ask you to, if you want to place an item on hold or take an item off of hold. If you're in a non-lotted environment, you can also put labels on hold so that you can't ship serial labels, even if you're in a non-lotted environment. And when you put an item on hold, it'll ask who's putting it on hold and what reason and what lot number specifically you are putting on hold. So that's a handy feature. And then when you come back into regular AIM, and that's not the only way to put an item on hold, but when you come back into AIM, you can run reports. The open WIP with disposition reports will show you defective material or disposition material, but also your open WIP disposition. So material that's on hold currently and how long it's been on hold and what's the cost of it on hold. These reports are all exportable to Excel. There's similar reports that we can run in our dashboard add-on. So you can see your on-hold materials. Again, putting material on hold ensures it does not get used up in future production. Also make sure that it does not get shipped to your customer. In addition to putting product on hold, obviously we can also scrap product. So scrap product can be entered in our real-time MES system where we identify how many pieces were scrapped. Also, it can be used with our manual production posting. If you're still using manual production posting, you have a disposition entry, and this disposition entry is for disposition product for both on hold and scrap material. So yes, we can put product to scrap, and all your scrap codes are self-defined. But then we also have a full scrap accounting system. So you have your full production scrap reports, how much was scrapped any day, any shift, any item number, any work center. So you can see what your scrap causes were, how much they cost you. Again, a lot of this scrap reporting is also used in our dashboard if you wanted to chart it to see the top reasons of scrap in a given day or the top dollar offender of your scrap reasons. So full scrap reporting system allows you to see all the scraps, also month-to-date and year-to-date reports for scrap. You have your on hold and your scrap. And of course, you can take product off hold as well. Now let's talk briefly about interactions with the customer. So we have a customer concerns entry page. And the customer concerns entry page is exactly for that. If you have a customer calling with a concern relating to an item number, you fill out a form and you log that report. This customer concern can be related to an RMA, a return material authorization, if the customer is actually going to return material to you, or it doesn't have to be. And so you can have the ability to chart things that doesn't actually relate with an RMA. And when you create an RMA, you can also do a customer returns entry. And a customer returns entry is when you actually specify exactly how much or which lots were returned to you of any given product. And this is where you can adjust your supplier queue so that your scheduling reports and MRP will know immediately that you need to produce more product to backfill the suspect product coming back from your customer. So you have customer concerns and customer returns ability. And finally, I just wanted to point out that if you do have customer concerns, a lot of people like to track costs associated with customer concerns. We do that by relating our customer concerns to a project. And in our project master function, is where we have the ability to assign purchase orders to a customer concern number, for example. So if you buy something or have sorting costs related to customer concerns, you can trap those costs to a customer concern number. Similar, if you have internal labor and or materials associated with fixing a die or that kind of thing, all those costs can be trapped and related to a customer concerns entry so that you know your costs. So again, not a full overarching view of everything we do in the quality, but just a 5-minute summary of the AIM Vision quality features.